हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टुडेज क्यू कार्ड। सो आज जो हम टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है डिस्क्राइब अ पजल यू हैव प्लेड, जो पजल आपने खेली है। और इसके जो फॉलोअप क्वेश्चंस है, फर्स्ट इज नेम ऑफ द पजल, पजल का नेम आपने बताना है। सेकंड, विद हुम एंड व्हेन, किसके साथ और कब आपने इस पजल को खेला। एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस। ठीक है, अब हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं। जब हम इसको आंसर करेंगे नेम ऑफ द पजल, सो वी मस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इंट्रोडक्शन। अब इंट्रोडक्शन क्या है? पजल्स आर इंटरेस्टिंग टू प्ले एंड दे आर क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग एंड डॉन्टिंग। सो पजल को सॉल्व करना इज अ चैलेंजिंग टास्क, इज अ डॉन्टिंग टास्क और इज एन आर्डुअस टास्क। सो चैलेंजिंग, डॉन्टिंग एंड आर्डुअस मीन्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क दैट्स नॉट एवरीबडीज कप ऑफ टी। नॉट एवरीबडीज कप ऑफ टी मीन्स कि हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है। And at the same time, I must say that solving puzzles are perfect leisure time activity, plus they are cognitive ability boosters. Cognitive ability means cognitive is related to brain functioning or intelligence. तो जो brain functioning है या जो intelligence है वो improve होती है। boost करना means up करना उसको, ठीक है। So the name of the puzzle, I'll talk about a jigsaw puzzle. और उसमें था क्या? That is with animal images. So what is a jigsaw puzzle? It has like different irregular pieces with adjustable edges. तो उनको क्या करना होता है? उनको जोड़ करके एक पूरी प्रॉपर जो भी पिक्चर है, जो सीनरी है या जो इमेज है वो बनानी होती है। Now second question is with whom and when. अब किसके साथ और कब इसे मैंने खेला था? So I used to be playing it with my elder brother. So me and my brother, we used to be playing during our childhood, and you would say that my uncle gifted me a jigsaw puzzle on my 3rd birthday. And when did I play it? I used to be playing it every evening after completing my homework. क्योंकि my mother, I would say my mother was very strict at that time, and जब तक हमारा homework पूरा नहीं होता था, she didn't let us play anything. And as soon as we finish our homework, we used to be jumping into solving out these puzzles. So me and my brother, we both were into solving these puzzles every evening, and especially we had a kind of bumper offer on the weekends, because in weekends we didn't have any homework, so we spent maximum time on this puzzle. Then how was your experience? So initially obviously I wasn't good in that. I was very pathetic and miserable condition I had. So initially I used to fail multiple times. तो मुझसे बनता ही नहीं थी वो puzzle, and I started thinking that I'm good for nothing. Good for nothing means ये किसी भी काम की नहीं है, and I cannot do it. So I felt disheartened. Disheartened means heartbroken. But my father encouraged me, he motivated me a lot, and he guided me how I can go for connecting all these pieces to make the perfect picture with my hard work and dedication. So I kept on working upon it. So with the hard work and dedication, it made me perfect and proficient. And after that I started making different kind of jigsaw puzzle. Then my father bought so many new puzzles for me which has different difficulty level, because initially that my uncle gifted me, that was a very simple one which only had like 6 pieces. Then my father kept gifting me different jigsaw puzzle. So the last I had when I was 12 years old, and that time it was having 50 pieces in it, and that too again I started solving very easily. I must say how was my experience and how I felt. So in beginning I didn't have a good experience, but then when I started enjoying it, when I started solving it, I started feeling extremely happy. Extremely happy means I felt over the moon. Every day, every time, whenever I finish this task, I feel like I have accomplished something in my life. Even today I love to play puzzle, and whenever I have my free time, whenever I'm waiting for someone, so I quickly open up my mobile and start playing different puzzles on my mobile phones. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you and you can speak very nicely in your real exam. Keep learning with me. All the best.